Everyone, we've gathered here today to give Tony an intervention.
Why?
Well, you see this whole room. It's time to go through it. We're gonna give some things away. We're gonna sell some things on Poshmark, donate some things. It's time to let go.
And you know what's sad? This is after I've let go of so much. So this closet is like where things go to die. I can't even come in here and see what's in here because look, take a peek around. There's like garbage bags filled with clothes I have to donate or sell. This stuff I've already gone through like last summer and it's all stuff that I love, but I feel like I can like give stuff away now. Like I'm not gonna wear that now. So the game plan for today is we're gonna go through and pick starting with like 5 to 10 giveaway piles with like clothes that I want to give to you guys, like really good clothes. So we'll donate a lot of stuff, give away a lot of stuff, and then if it's like stuff I bought that was expensive or things that you guys I think you guys would really want, we'll sell it.
Good.
Try to pay for my house.
Well, we are not moving into your new house with all this stuff, so we are gonna be doing this until it's move time.
Yeah, so we won't complete it all today. We might have to do, each time we do this, we'll give away more, and then we'll also sell more, so it'll be like an ongoing process. I'm scared, honestly. All right, I'm taking a quick break to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is allowing me to do this amazing giveaway, cover the shipping costs and everything. I'm always so grateful when brands want to partner with me, and today I am partnering with one of my favorite brands. I literally use them every single day. It is Native. I've spoken about them on my channel before, but they are my favorite clean deodorant. Native has all clean ingredients, very familiar ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil. And I recently started using the plastic-free deodorant. So their plastic-free packaging has the same amazing formula as their other deodorants. I have one right here. I literally have these scattered throughout my whole house because I will not leave my house without putting on my Native deodorant. But their plastic-free packaging has the same exact formula. It just has less plastic. It's better for the environment. Their formula is vegan and cruelty-free. So my favorite scent is this one. It's Rosé. This is the first time I am trying it, but it smells so good. And then I also have lilac and white tea, which smells so fresh. I love this one. And then, okay, this one is a tie between rosé and charcoal. This one just smells like so fresh, like perfect for the summertime. I want a perfume that smells like this. If I don't put deodorant on, I will smell. And if I use a deodorant that doesn't actually work, I will smell. But I can vouch 100% my Native deodorant works. I put it on right when I get out of the shower and it works all day long. Normally 3 plastic-free deodorants are $39, but if you use my code Sevdalis2, you can save 25% and get 3 for $29. Thank you Native for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, I will leave the link down below. And now let's get back to the video. So far we have this. I got this sent to me, but I had to pay a lot of duties on it. But it's from Kathleen Lights' brand. It's like really good quality sweatpants and sweatshirts. I just have so many, I never got around to wearing it, so I'm going to be giving that away with a little clip. And then I have 2 misguided dresses with some sunglasses, which I think is like a cute little giveaway. This top I actually really like, so I think that's a cute giveaway. I don't know why there's writing on this, but I bought this by accident from Zara. So we're going through all stuff. That's like stuff, like sheets and stuff I have to get rid of.
This is cute. Look, it's just like a little...
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's really cute. It's actually a set. There's a pair of pants, so we can give that away. Yeah, like a whole little white vibe, and I feel like that with like a cute pair of sunglasses. I just have so many.
What if you did the blazer with like this? Oh, here's the bottom for this. Blazer with that and like with a pair of shorts.
Yeah. So there's like, the only thing is that there's like little baby cherub penises on this. It's like so weird. It is cute, but I think I'm gonna sell that.
This is so cute.
We can put it with like a beachy vibe or something. So far we've gone through a bag and a box, and I'll show you guys what we're giving away so far. So we have this pile like I showed you. This pile has a bunch of different dresses and some sunglasses. This we're working on. I think these 2 are pretty much done. And then this one has 3 tops so far. This one has a knit set and a nude blazer. This one is also done. It is a bunch of like white sets, sunglasses, and a little bag. This one we're working on, it has like a little bit more of a funky vibe going on. And then here is a knit sweater and a pair of jeans. That is stuff we're gonna sell, and that is stuff we're just gonna give away. Now we're gonna move on to this one.
This is a big mama.
Seeing all these things I forgot about. Oh, this is cute. It just didn't fit me, but it was so nice. I feel like someone would love to have that. A lot of the stuff I honestly never wore. I just have too much stuff. This is just the plain. Yeah, there's like new stuff mixed with stuff that I wore all the time. Oh, actually, I might keep this. I was looking for a big crew neck the other day, and I gave mine all away. That's my mom's.
Sorry, Mom.
Oh, this is a comfortable sweater. Oh, this top. I don't know what I was thinking. Sometimes I get into these weird moods.
What about this full one piece? This has definitely been up your butt.
Oh, this is a cute little Zara top.
That's very cute.
Maybe we can give this away with like a pair of jeans.
Here's jeans.
This is giveaway. I got that like 4 years ago when I was dating a random guy and had to spend New Year's Eve up north with all his friends. It was a disaster. I was obsessed with these before Ritzia made them, like just a random
From where?
Pretty little thing.
Tony?
Oh, Darren bought me those because
these are
they were
butt
the
pants.
butt TikTok, so Darren got them for me.
Here's another one of these.
I feel like some people might like these though.
Some of them are cute, but some of them are a little too worn. But this little pink one is really freaking cute.
So do you want to give the pink one with the gray one? I don't think I really ever wore those.
Yeah, no, these ones still have tags on. The white one and the black one looked a little too worn.
Oh, this one, but like, is it dirty?
Yeah.
Is it though?
It just looks like a dulled out white.
Yeah, that's what a lot of Pretty Little Things stuff like don't hold up very well. Oh, these have to be like giveaway. They shrunk so much in the wash. I just bought them and they shriveled up. Look at this vibe. This was also a crazy vibe. Look at it, Nikki.
This we're selling. It's so cute. It's from Abercrombie.
Yeah, I know. I did.
Look at the puff sleeves.
I know, but on me it looks a little
yeah, of
weird.
course. You're not about that. What's this? Express.
It's like a sweater dress.
We're giving this away. It's so cute.
Oh, I got this. I thrifted this and I loved it. I think it's time to re-give it away. This describes my feelings.
You are not over it.
Why did I buy that? Like, I knew I would never wear it and I still bought it.
Oh my god, are you Cher from Clueless?
Look, that was really cute. I really liked that one at the time.
Where is this from?
So we're done these. That outfit's almost done. I think this one's done. So we're gonna move that. That one is maybe one more thing, and then those are a pile to sell. Wow, I'm excited about that. Oh, this is so cute. I got this from a Windsor store. So cute.
That. I love it. What? What's on it? What is that?
There's a huge stain right on it.
Is that cute?
Is that?
Be honest. Is that
No, I didn't puke on myself. Oh, this is a good bag, you guys. This is I got this jacket hemmed, and I got so many questions about it. I got it from Pretty Little Thing, and I wore it to death. This is a really cute dress. Those are from Miss Lola, but they were too big on me. Oh, this is also from L&M. Look at these. These are so cute for the fall. Ooh, leather pants. These are also from River Island, I believe. Yeah. Ooh. Someone's getting a whole bunch of River Island.
Thank you, Tony.
That's from Walmart.
I found her lingerie, guys.
Oh yeah, that doesn't fit me. Give that with the leather pants. That would be so cute. There's this blouse.
That's why it was 100 pounds.
A blazer. Actually, I'll give you guys an update. We have a bunch of piles for giveaway going on. I think we're going to be giving away way more than we anticipated. Thank you, Native, for sponsoring this video to fund the shipping for all of this giveaway. We are going to go have something to eat because we are starving, and then we will continue later on. We're having Greek food for dinner. We each got a pita, a salad, and I'll show you yours, Greek potatoes and rice.
So excited.
Okay, so we have our makeshift organization for the stuff we're giving away. I'm gonna show you the progress in the closet. We showed the before. Okay. So let's go show the after. Well, the mid. Turns out in here we do have a floor. We focused on the bags, but next time we have like all this stuff to go.
But what are in these cubes that are on the floor?
These are like jeans and stuff.
That you haven't worn in 5 years.
Yeah, these are all my winter jackets and my jackets and stuff. I wish I could just like let you guys come over and be like, take what you want. Am I ever gonna wear those? Probably not, Nikki, honestly.
Well then, someone will.
These are from Amazon and they're so uncomfortable. Those are cute, I like those.
They're very worn.
Yeah, I like those. I wore them a lot.
You want to keep every pair of thigh-high boots.
I went through a cowboy boot phase, I think. I wore these a lot at one point. I don't even know if my leg would fit in that anymore.
So Tony went in the other room to get her stuff. You literally look like you're from the Addams Family.
This is what my hair used to look like.
Tell me why you have a wig in that color.
Okay, so...
Should I try it?
Yes. 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago, I was debating what color I wanted to dye my hair. And then I was like, I should turn myself into my old self. So I bought a black wig because I used to have black hair.
Where'd you get it?
Bellamy. It's a Bellamy wig. Can you tell? It's a little knotted.
Good.
It doesn't look that bad, does it? I actually don't mind it. Do you guys think I should dye my hair back to black?
No.
I have another wig though.
Okay. Wait, that's literally your current hair color. Why do you have that?
Because I was debating what color I wanted to dye my hair.
What do you mean you were debating? That's the color of your hair.
At the time I had that brown caramel color.
Which I really miss.
And I was debating whether I should go lighter, but now I'm like, where's my real hair? Where's the wig? Does it look good? Doesn't look that bad, Nikki. I think you should consider it. Good morning. Okay, yesterday was such a blur. 2 things I want to do today, so I'm going to write it down in my agenda so I don't forget, because if I don't write things down, it doesn't happen. I went to Orange Theory this morning, and then right after I went to Canadian Tire because I want to strip my clothes. I don't know, there's like a weird smell on my clothes. I think it's because either I'm not the best at like, I'll wash a load of laundry and then I'll forget that I did it, so it like sits in the laundry and then I have to rewash it. So I feel like my clothes just need like a freshen up. I went to Beer on Grow, which is like Staples here in Quebec, and I wanted to buy poly mailers, but they didn't have any. So I bought some on Amazon, so I will do that. They're gonna be here tomorrow, so hopefully I will do that tomorrow. I'm going to like inspect all of the clothes that I'm gonna give away today, and I'll put them in the bag tomorrow. I'll label them and then they'll be ready. I think what I'm gonna do is you guys will like leave your email in the comment down below, because not everyone has Instagram. Then I'll pick a few random winners. All of the stuff is around my size. When you're entering, just keep that in mind. Then I'll pick the winner and I will email the email from a special email, because I don't know what other way to do it. I know not everyone has Instagram, so I think that's the way I'm gonna do it. I bought these bins. Let me show you guys. I bought 3 of them, so I'm gonna start packing things in here that are maybe like winter clothes that I don't wear. I don't need to keep my winter clothes all year round, like that's just insane. So I'm gonna put some stuff in here that I'm like shoes or boots or whatever that I don't need right now, and then I will put that in my closet, and hopefully that will free up more space. So this is what I got to do my laundry detox: super washing soda. I saw it on Go Clean Co. Okay, so I started with Darren's clothes because he works in these all the time, so they're the smelliest. But I think I'm gonna do a whole scoop of powdered Tide. I really don't know how much to put. I'm gonna do a whole scoop of powdered Tide. I'm gonna mix it all up. Powdered Tide is the best. I think I'm gonna do a whole scoop of this washing soda. I love the smell of powdered Tide. So I read the instructions. It says half a cup. So I'm just gonna massage this all in now and get, ooh, oh yeah. I hope that it's okay that I'm mixing like a few colors. These have all been washed like a million times, so I'm not too worried. I think it's gonna be really gross. So you can see the water now. Why do I feel like it's already gross looking? But it's pretty clear, okay? Like the water is pretty clear. We'll see what it looks like in 4 hours. I'm gonna mix this up and make sure it's all submerged. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and this is the state. of the water. You can barely see my hand at the bottom. I know it's not dye because I've washed these a billion times. I've stripped these clothes already, so I know it's not dye coming out. This is dirt. And these were all clean clothes. Like, I took them out of his closet. I need to ask him if he's like rolling around in the dirt at work or what he's doing, because ew, 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 ew. Alrighty, so we are aborting the mission because I walked downstairs and it was leaking, and that's where the bathtub is exactly, so I don't know what is going on. I called the landlord and we're trying to get a plumber. Oh, Leah, are you okay? We're trying to get the plumber over here, but seems like their plumbers are all on vacation today. I don't know if I can use the shower and like the other stuff. I don't use the bath a ton, honestly. Oh my gosh. I don't use the bath a ton, honestly, but that's just a bummer. So no stripping of the clothes for me today. I was so excited, but I guess not. Okay, so I put all of the boots that I'm definitely not going to be wearing in this bucket. So we brought down all of the stuff we're giving away. Nikki is going to steam it. My Sloan steamer, of course, because it's the best. And these are the mailers. I didn't realize that they were so big, but it's perfect. I want to give away a few things in each thing, so this guarantees it'll fit. We'll pack it up all nicely, and then after the winner is chosen, we'll put the label on it and we'll label what's inside with a post-it. Nikki's gonna work on that while I finish editing another video, and then I'll help her. She put together this whole beautiful yellow pile and steamed it all and got it all nice and ready. If you don't like your pile, it's Nikki's fault. We have a bag for all of like yellow stuff, florals, satin, nude sweatsuit, cream knit suit. Whoa! But Nikki and I ran out because we decided that if we were going to do this for the rest of the night, we needed to have some drinks. Do you think half a cup of tequila is too much?
No.
Okay. Maybe I'll do a third of a cup. I'm gonna add a little agave. Make it nice and sweet. I like a lot of ice. Doesn't this look so good? I think that's the best drink I've ever made. We just finished up. Nikki made mac and cheese and a cheese quesadilla, and we're watching the new Gossip Girl. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. So it is now, what time is it? 10:02. It's gonna focus. 10:03. And Nikki just left. We ate dinner. We cleaned up a little bit and she just left. And I am so grateful for her for helping me, because something about me is that I'll have a whole to-do list and I'll end up not doing anything on it when I'm overwhelmed. And Nikki really, you okay? Nikki really helps push me and motivate me and forces me to do things when I don't want to do them. I mentioned it a few times, but if you want to enter the giveaway, just leave a comment down below. Just keep in mind that it's kind of a random giveaway. If you saw things in this video that you want specifically, then you can leave that in the comments and I'll try to make it happen. But keep in mind that all the stuff is about my size, and I will do another giveaway soon. So thank you, Native, for working with me on this video. It was a blessing because it allowed me to do this giveaway. Make sure to check out Native down below and to leave your comment and subscribe. You have to be subscribed to enter the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys back here next time.